Hello everyone, in today's video, we will explore the essential cybersecurity solutions for business safety. Let's get into the topic. Cybersecurity solutions are your business's digital protection system. They stop hackers from entering your network, keep devices like computers and phones safe, lock down private information, and help you bounce back fast if an attack happens. Think of them as locks, alarms, and backup plans for your company's online world. Cybercrime is a serious danger to every business. By 2025, it could cost the world 868 trillion Indian rupees yearly. Just look at Sony. One breach cost them $171 million and damaged customer trust. Without protection, your business risks heavy fines, costly downtime, and losing clients who no longer feel safe with you. These essential cybersecurity tools keep your business safe. Firewalls act like security guards for your network. Endpoint Protection shields all your devices from viruses. Encryption turns sensitive data into unreadable code. MFA adds an extra lock on your accounts. Threat monitoring works like a 24/7 security camera. Backups ensure you never lose important files, even if hackers strike. Every business needs cybersecurity to survive today's threats. Strong protection stops hackers from stealing your data or money. It keeps you compliant with privacy laws to avoid costly fines. Most importantly, it ensures you can recover quickly and stay open after an attack. Without it, you're risking everything. Sony learned the hard way when hackers stole 77 million users' data. The breach cost them $171 million, forced weeks of shutdowns, and damaged customer trust. This real-world example shows what happens when cybersecurity fails: massive financial losses, operational chaos, and broken relationships that take years to repair. Proper protection could have prevented this disaster. Getting protected is easier than you think. First, set up firewalls, multi-factor authentication, and regular backups. These basics block most threats. Teach your team to recognize phishing emails. Always keep software updated to patch security holes. Don't wait until it's too late. Even small steps today significantly reduce your risk tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't wait until it's too late. Cyber threats evolve every day. Is your business prepared? Visit our website digitdefence.com.